India, a land of vibrant colors, rich history, and diverse cultures. From the snow-capped peaks of the Himalayas to the sun-kissed beaches of the south, every corner of this vast country tells a story. And at the heart of these stories is food. Indian cuisine is a true reflection of this multifaceted heritage. It is a celebration of flavors, colors, and aromas that come together to create a sensory experience like no other. It is a tapestry woven with threads of ancient traditions, foreign influences, and regional variations. Each dish tells a story of its own, a story that has been shaped by centuries of history. This culinary legacy has been passed down through generations. Grandmothers teaching their grandchildren the secrets of age-old recipes, families coming together to celebrate with food. It continues to evolve, embracing new flavors and techniques while staying true to its roots. Modern chefs are constantly experimenting, blending traditional recipes with contemporary twists. Indian food is much more than just curry. It is an exploration of a vast array of dishes, from street food to royal feasts, each with its own unique flavor profile. It is an exploration of aromas, textures, and tastes. The crunch of a samosa, the softness of a naan, the richness of a biryani, from the fiery heat of chili peppers that can make your eyes water, to the subtle sweetness of coconut milk that soothes the palate. Indian cuisine is a symphony of flavors. Each spice, each ingredient, playing its part in creating a harmonious dish. Each region of India boasts its own unique culinary identity, from the rich, creamy dishes of the north to the spicy, tangy flavors of the south. They use local ingredients and cooking styles, creating dishes that are a true reflection of their environment. Let's delve into the fascinating history of Indian cuisine. We will explore how ancient texts and manuscripts have preserved these culinary traditions. We will trace its journey through time, exploring the influences that have shaped its evolution. From the spice trade routes to the colonial era, each period has left its mark. We will also look at the impact of artificial intelligence on this ancient culinary tradition, how modern technology is being used to preserve and innovate. Join us as we uncover the story of Indian food from spices to silicon, a journey that is as rich and diverse as the land itself. Before we continue, if you are enjoying this video, feel free to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to receive future updates. The story of Indian cuisine begins thousands of years ago, in the cradle of one of the world's earliest civilizations. The Indus Valley Civilization, one of the world's oldest, flourished in the Indian subcontinent, leaving behind a rich legacy. Archaeological evidence suggests that these ancient people cultivated a variety of crops, including wheat, barley, lentils, and spices, which formed the backbone of their diet. Spices in particular have always played a pivotal role in Indian cooking, adding not just flavor but also medicinal properties. The allure of Indian spices, such as pepper, cinnamon, and cardamom, led to the establishment of the legendary spice route, a network that spanned continents. This network of ancient trade routes connected India to the rest of the world, facilitating not just the exchange of goods, but also cultures and ideas. Traders traveled vast distances, carrying these prized ingredients to distant lands, making Indian spices a global commodity. This exchange of goods and ideas had a profound impact on Indian cuisine, enriching it with diverse influences. Over time, Indian cooking techniques evolved, incorporating new methods and ingredients from various cultures. The use of clay ovens, known as tandoors, and the art of blending spices became integral parts of Indian culinary traditions, showcasing the ingenuity of Indian chefs. This rich culinary heritage laid the foundation for the diverse and flavorful cuisine we know today, a testament to India's enduring legacy in the world of food. India's vast geographical expanse and cultural diversity are reflected in its regional cuisines. From the snow-capped mountains in the north to the sun-kissed beaches in the south, every region offers a unique culinary experience that tells a story of its own. Each region boasts its own distinct flavors, ingredients, and cooking styles. The spices, herbs, and cooking techniques vary widely, creating a rich tapestry of tastes and aromas that are deeply rooted in the local culture and traditions. In the north, the fertile plains of Punjab are renowned for their rich and buttery dishes. The cuisine here is hearty and robust, often featuring dairy products like ghee and butter. Sarson ka saag, or mustard greens, and maki di roti, or cornbread, are staples of this region, These dishes are not just food, but a celebration of the land's bounty and the farmer's hard work. The Mughal influence is evident in the use of nuts, saffron, and cream in dishes like butter chicken and biryani. These ingredients add a touch of luxury and richness, making the cuisine of this region truly royal. Moving south, the coastal regions of Kerala and Tamil Nadu offer a bounty of seafood. The proximity to the sea ensures that the cuisine here is fresh and vibrant, with an emphasis on fish and shellfish. Coconut milk, tamarind, and curry leaves lend their unique flavors to dishes like fish curry and prawn masala. These ingredients create a harmonious blend of sweet, sour, and spicy notes that are characteristic of South Indian cuisine. In the east, West Bengal is known for its delicate flavors and the use of mustard oil and fish in its cuisine. The dishes here are often subtle yet complex, reflecting the region's rich cultural heritage. The western state of Gujarat is famous for its vegetarian fare. The cuisine here is diverse and inventive, making the most of locally grown vegetables and legumes. Dakla, or steamed lentil cakes, and handvo, a savory cake, are popular Gujarati dishes. These dishes are light, nutritious, and bursting with flavor, showcasing the ingenuity and creativity of Gujarati cuisine. The Mughal Empire, which ruled India for centuries, had a significant impact on Indian cuisine. The Mughals brought with them their own culinary traditions from Central Asia. This fusion of culinary cultures resulted in the creation of some of India's most iconic dishes. One of the most notable contributions of the Mughals was the introduction of biryani. Biryani is a flavorful rice dish made with meat, spices, and saffron. The Mughals also popularized the use of tandoors, clay ovens used to cook bread and meat. Naan, a leavened flatbread, and Sikh kebab, skewered and grilled meat, are examples of dishes cooked in a tandoor. The Mughal emphasis on rich flavors and elaborate presentation continues to influence Indian cuisine today. Colonial encounters. British influence on Indian food. The British colonial period also left its mark on Indian cuisine. While the British did not drastically alter Indian cooking styles, they did introduce new ingredients and dishes that were incorporated into Indian cuisine. Tea, a British staple, became a popular beverage in India. It is now an integral part of Indian culture, enjoyed with milk and sugar. The British also introduced vegetables like potatoes, tomatoes, and cauliflower to India. These ingredients were quickly adopted into Indian cooking and are now widely used. Another notable influence of the British was the development of Anglo-Indian cuisine. This hybrid cuisine combined elements of Indian and British cooking. Dishes like chicken tikka masala and mulligatawny soup are examples of Anglo-Indian creations that have gained global popularity. The rise of technology, modern influences on traditional tastes. In recent decades, technology has begun to transform the Indian culinary landscape. The rise of the internet and mobile devices has made it easier than ever to access recipes, order food online, and connect with other food enthusiasts. Food blogs, social media platforms, and online cooking shows have played a significant role in popularizing Indian cuisine globally. People from all over the world can now learn about Indian cooking techniques, ingredients, and regional variations. Online food delivery platforms have also witnessed a surge in popularity, making it convenient for people to enjoy their favorite Indian dishes from the comfort of their homes. This technological revolution has not only made Indian food more accessible, but has also led to innovations in the way it is prepared, presented, and consumed. AI in the kitchen. Smart appliances and personalized dining experiences. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is now making its way into Indian kitchens, transforming the way food is cooked and experienced. Smart kitchen appliances powered by AI are becoming increasingly common. These appliances can assist with various tasks, from measuring ingredients to regulating cooking temperatures. AI-powered ovens can recognize different types of food and adjust cooking settings accordingly, ensuring optimal results. AI is also being used to personalize dining experiences. Some restaurants are using AI-powered recommendation engines to suggest dishes based on a diner's dietary preferences, past orders, and even their mood. This level of personalization can enhance the dining experience and introduce customers to new flavors and dishes they might not have otherwise tried. From farm to table, AI's impact on food sourcing and sustainability. AI is not only changing the way we cook and consume Indian food, but also how it is sourced and produced. AI-powered platforms are being used to optimize agricultural practices, improve crop yields, and reduce food waste. AI algorithms can analyze weather patterns, soil conditions, and other data to provide farmers with insights on the best time to plant, irrigate, and harvest their crops. This data-driven approach can help maximize efficiency, reduce costs, and minimize the environmental impact of agriculture. Furthermore, AI-powered systems are being used to track food shipments, monitor storage conditions, and identify potential food safety risks. This can help ensure that Indian food products are of the highest quality and reach consumers in a safe and timely manner. A delicious future. Indian cuisine in the age of AI. Indian cuisine has come a long way from its ancient origins. From the spice roots of antiquity to the AI-powered kitchens of today, Indian food has continuously evolved, embracing new influences and technologies while staying true to its rich culinary heritage. As AI continues to advance, we can expect to see even more innovative applications in the Indian food industry. From personalized dining experiences to sustainable food production, AI has the potential to revolutionize the way we interact with Indian cuisine. Whether you are a seasoned food connoisseur or a curious newcomer, the future of Indian food promises to be as diverse, flavorful, and exciting as its rich history. So the next time you savor a delicious Indian meal, take a moment to appreciate the centuries of tradition, innovation, and cultural exchange that have gone into creating this culinary masterpiece. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, feel free to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to receive future updates.